So hello everyone, this video is related to English subject, and in this video I'm going to share my experience that how I have increased my English language marks in banking examination specifically. So how I improved my marks and which teacher have I followed and what is the most important in this subject so that we can reach the desired marks. So firstly, how I improve my marks. So it is very important to get your basics clear. So first I have cleared my basics, that is grammar. I have done my grammar from YouTube itself, and the playlist which Nimisha ma'am has provided in the YouTube. So Nimisha's ma'am playlist, YouTube playlist, in which she has completed all the grammar rules. I had gone through it and I had revised it one to two times. So it is the very first thing that everyone should do, that is grammar. And after that we need to practice a lot in English. So there are various apps, that is Ada Guidely, in which we get a free test, grammar test, that is error detection, fill in the blanks, fillers, sentence improvement. So we have to just practice that test. After completing our grammar, we have to just uh, repeatedly give the mock, in which there are fillers, then after that most important errors. So if we do these things, we get things clear, and gradually we increase our marks. I have increased my marks like this only, and teachers, I don't followed any paid classes. So I had only followed Nimisha ma'am video on YouTube, and after that uh, her editorial class. But I don't follow the editorial class now. Currently I'm following only newspaper, Business Standard precisely, and I read the editorial from Business Standard. And after that, what is most important? Reading. Reading is most important. I read daily the editorial which comes in newspaper, that is any newspaper, Business Standard, Mint, or any other financial newspaper, from which we can read. So reading is very important. And if we read regularly, we just so I'm telling you that what happens if we read daily. So if we read daily editorial, then we don't need to revise our grammar rules every time. If we read editorial daily, our rules get revised in the newspaper, in the editorial itself. So yeah, this is it for this video. And if you want to see my marks of prelims and mains in English section, please let me know in the comment section, and I will definitely, in the future video, I will definitely share with you guys. Thank you so much.